So welcome guys back. Let's take a look at WTI for the next day. So make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed. Make sure you like and also make your comments. So let me take a look at this WTI crude oil, right? At first, if you take a look at the full trend itself, you see that this is a drop, right? Bearish move, no doubt about that. You can see during the period where we were selling, even at this period here, we were all selling. But now, before we go ahead and place this trade, since we want to take the trade for the next day, right? We want to first of all ask ourselves one question. The first question we would ask ourselves is, what is the trend for this movement? We all know that there's three movements price to mix, which is an uptrend move, a downtrend move, or a raging market move. Previously, it was making a downtrend move when we were getting a lower lows and a lower highs on WTI. Now we can now see this is an uptrend move when we are getting an higher highs and an higher lows, right? There was a time I told you guys that before we actually consider this to be an uptrend move, we need to get a highs that we take out this level, right? Guess what? We actually got that movement. I think it was on Tuesday we actually added that, and Wednesday we added that movement. Price gave us that bullish move and took out this side. So we can now officially say that okay, this WTI is actually giving us an uptrend move, but I don't think it will actually give us that uptrend move for the maybe once it gets to a level. I personally will be watching out for a level of 82 before it can give us that drop. So that is what I am watching out for WTI. But we need to get to a level of 82. We currently can see that this price is trading at a level of 79. So we need to get to a level of 82. Maybe then price can drop, right? So for us to get to that level of 82, we need to go long on this WTI. So this is one of the reasons why we will be having a bullish move for the next day on WTI. So we can take a look at this to be as an impulse move upward, and here will be considered to be a downward move. So we would see this as an impulse move. You can clearly see that there was a little bit of a pullback here. So I'm seeing this as an impulse move. So I'm expecting a further bullish move, right? Or maybe we can get a pullback here. Who knows? Because price can eventually give us a pullback on WTI before it kind of go up, because that is how kind of this is how the price kind of move, right? Before it actually give us that bullish move, it will want to give us that draw. So we need to watch out for in case that draws will be made. But what we know for sure is the next day this WTI crude oil should actually give us a bullish move. Let's see if in between Monday and Tuesday we should be able to hit a level of 82. So this is a target we are waiting for, or we are watching, and this is our objective, which is for price to actually get to a level of 82. So WTI could need to go bullish. We can see that this price is trading above our 10 period moving average. Previously it was below this moving average, one of the reasons why we had strong evidence for us to go ahead and sell. But now we can see it is trading above the moving average. So we can go ahead and take this trade. Now that should take us to the 4-hour time frame. So you can clearly see on the forward time frame. So we see this as an impulse move. You can see this as a lows. You can see this higher highs and higher lows that is being made here. You can see it little by little. We're having that movement till we got to this level and a pullback was made. Now a new highs have been made. So we would expect a further bullish move. You see, this was one of the reasons why WTI we expect more bullish move to be made. And if in case a pullback will be made, which I don't think so, like I said, I don't think a pullback will be made. But if a pullback will be made, then let's see where it will get to. Then by adding our Fibonacci retracement tools here. So this is a level that's gotten. So if in case a pullback will be made, then we would actually see get to a level of 23.2 before 23.6 before we actually get that spike up. One of the reasons is that price also have reacted to this level, right? So this is the level here. So price has just gotten to this level, right? So if in case a pullback will be made, the price should hit this level, which I don't think that a movement will be made there. One of the reasons is that the price has given us a pullback at this level, so we expect price to actually push up more before a pullback will happen, or will occur. So we don't think pullback will be occurring the next day. So this WTI we expect further bullish move. And we can also see it still trading above our 10th periodic moving average. So if eventually this price drops and break below this moving average, maybe then you can go ahead and watch out for a level of 23.6, but I don't think so. We should continue that uptrend move. And this is the 1 hour time frame. So see, and we'll take this as a drop, and we will continue the impulse move next day. So WTI crude oil, we should get a bullish move for the next day.